What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing a new part for the new build. We're gonna go ahead and be removing this old hood because it's dented up, as you can see right there. And plus, this is not the hood I want. I mean, yeah, it looks nice or whatever, but this is a hood we're gonna be installing. Shout out to my boy Martin for hooking me up with the hood. Alright, so to remove this hood, it's pretty simple. There's 3 bolts on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 bolts on that side. So let me take off the bolts. Put you guys in a time lapse.
Trae la bandera del Chapo y es el mayor el que los guía. Reportando para Capi con el 09 todo.
Alright guys, so we got the hood off. We got it sitting over there. Alright, let's put the HD hood on. Alright guys, so we got the hood on. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But we're gonna go ahead and align it. Gotta fix it from the corners. It's not bolted on right yet. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And also let me know what should I do next. What else should I do to the truck? Yes, sir. A hood can make a big old difference. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the truck. How does it look with the new hood? Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace.